Okay. Keke. Adwuma ben my okaswa.
Adwuma ya.
Aye.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. E dey need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
Okay. Keke. Adwuma ben my okaswa.
Adwuma ya. Aye. So ka say adwuma ben ya ye.
Me bisa adwuma ben my okaswa.
Me tell say 1 year nema ye de agu akwan mu no. Ye ntumi mbu hu akonta within 1 year.
Da bi o de
me ya adwene.
Kamiensa pekere me de na my okaswa. Niema 3 pe.
Kaswa. Na me gina he.
Sisi ya mobile.
Me nua ye o wa ha no mu. Onim say 1 year of NDC. E wo kaswa ha. Sanitation the best. Don't prove me wrong.
Sanitation ye one.
Yes. Na kaswa challenge baako pa a bekanim. Say ban efi ekronfin fina ye ntumi ndi honi. Ye we ya. NPP for na ya den e bon sem.
Okay, sanitation ye nyina ye nim sem aya.
Abi wo baako aye mienu. O de menka baako.
Ba me se na me se ma me ba miensa. O de ma miensa.
E di unia onim. And the security. Onu onim. So de na kaswa security yete. Ewa
Oba ye na adwuma ben na waye wo kaswa. Wo se sanitation. Oba mambuom no 1 year ni. NDC ba ye 1.5 years ni. Adwuma ben pa na akoso e wo kaswa. Wo se sanitation. Aye sanitation. The NDC government in about 1.5 years. Juma pa what me aye no kaswa. Sanitation. One more to see you robbers pet ewa kaswa kudum. Bora na ewo Bora na ewo kaswa no eno pani ni adwuma mu atimi aye 1.5 years ni ewa kaswa. Obi you 8 months. E dia ye f00licies. E dia ma Ghana for. What dia 1.5 years ni. What dia ye sanitation amaka asoa. Sanitation. Obi you 8 months po. E dia ye f00licies. E dia ma the whole Ghana. The whole Ghana 8 months. The whole Ghana. Or dia ye f00licies ama the whole Ghana. What about 1.5 years ni? Sire ye juma NDC government aye. E dia ma kaswa pe enye the whole Ghana. Kaswa pa wo say sanitation. Aye sanitation. Now when they catch us sanitation aye government adwuma. When they catch us NDC communicate and they say sanitation NDC adwuma government adwuma sanitation government adwuma sanitation nya assembly man adwuma sanitation nya assembly man adwuma government adwuma Bawumia ka che obesi toilet di amagana fo Bawumia ebe ka so obesi toilet e di amagana fo toilet no Bawumia be promise Ghana for to obesi toilet di amagana fo yenti asema president John Dramani Mahama Ekae the fast ha toilet no ho. Wo de yinti.
This government, they put delivery tracker, social toilet. Toilet, the district assembly, them work. Why national government, we tell people what you do, then toilet in the district assembly. That one.
Okay. President Doddomani Mahama say, as a government, a dear na wo be ye diamo, wo maya, wo say toilet. Into toilet the emphasis ni so because a district assembly ni wo mo adwuma. President Doddomani Mahama say, me mo wo opposition no, o say toilet ni a district assembly man wo mo adwuma. And NDC about power. And ye be saying this ni communicator we say government na dear power mo buy 1.5 years ni dear na wo mo ayama kaso afo a o say sanitation. Na toilet any sanitation mo hin na ye aban na adwuma. Mo hin na ye government na adwuma. Toilet ni sanitation. Toilet any sanitation no mo hin pa na ye aban responsibility aye mo hin. But we have the car toilet wrong because assembly in Ejuma. But sanitation in the government in Asseria, government in Ejuma. Mo NDC for Mogu any moasi. The Mugu so Mugu any moasi. Mogu any moasi, papa. The Mugu so Mugu any moasi. Mogu any moasi, papa. The Mugu so a Mugu any moasi. I used 1.5 years in the sanitation. What to make you 1.5 years at the sanitation or Kaswa? Now, who see school at Kaswa be who be you so how many years? So, what to me you 1.5 years in the NDC by no near Chelsea, dear plan or Mayama Kaswa for now, what to make a gun and for said, why yes, sanitation or Kaswa? 1.5 years or the sanitation break. Into how many years not ever finish one school? And the Amaka for 1.5 years ago, what the sanitation or password? Ghana for moon share, what the moon share,
NPP for what can't say my no more hope. What can an anke wa?
Ojana da no. Se mu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospital and it goes on and no woman say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a scan of Canada was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people happen for." Name my comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals. Na most of them are comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors most of them are comfort. You see any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem okeke mu kaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect. Omo nkoma no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for no nkoma no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Politicians ni nkoma no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. Obi ankara no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most of them konketenkete. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire radio ndama ni ma say o mema come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. Eni radio ndama ni mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so kenye beto aba na ma bum 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 mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe the letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post. Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
Or sister asem na listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda and nam one yes. Not just say was in ukra during say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Yaka bro.
Problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good et me good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o uko court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fee on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defender afi the was by I say any mokra ameda mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na all my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa. Me Martin Yamabe me and Sebia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know. What the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institution, sir. Oh, on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my